just your phone. In this video, I will show you step-by-step ways on how to create a UK or US TikTok account that has the creator reward program for you to be able to earn directly from TikTok from any country. As we all know, Nigeria and some other countries are not allowed to earn directly from TikTok, just like YouTube pays creator per 1,000 views. Nigerians are just allowed to earn through subscription, life reward, work with artists, and video gifts. But if you are in Nigeria, you cannot earn directly from TikTok. So how do you earn directly from TikTok with your views? Is by opening a UK or a US account. So in this video, I'll be showing you step-by-step ways on how to create a UK or US account without paying anybody or using VPN. But firstly, let me show you the difference between a Nigerian account and international UK or US TikTok account. So guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to create the UK or US account. So you can see we just have limited features, which means if you upload, you can't earn from your video because you are using Nigerian account. Log out your Nigerian if you have one. Just go to your profile, click the icon up there. You will see setting and privacy. Tap on that, scroll down, you will see log out. So now we will sign up for a new account. So there are different ways you can sign up for a UK or US account. So you can use the phone number if you have an international number. But first, we need to change the location from Nigeria to UK or US. Where they write Nigeria, click on that and select UK. You can search for it. You can see it has changed. Then continue with email. Enter the email you want to use. So continue with email and enter the email that you want to use. So they will send a code, then set your birth date. If you are below 18, you won't be able to use the creator reward program for monetization. So make sure that you are above 18 years. Then create your username of your choice and sign in. Yeah, we now have a UK account that can earn directly with views on TikTok. But for you to know if it is UK, let me show you how to. So you just go to TikTok Studio, go to monetization. That's the difference between a Nigeria account that can't earn per views with a UK account that can earn per view. As you can see the creator reward program. That's the difference between a Nigerian account that can't earn per views with a UK account that can earn per views. But for you to be accepted into the program, you need to be at least 18 years and make sure you have at least 100,000 views within 30 days. That is, all your videos from the beginning of the month till next 30 days should have accumulated 100,000 views. And also, you need to get up to 10,000 followers for you to be eligible in this program. So once you have all these, you can apply for your TikTok creator reward program. That is all about the UK and US account. So guys, if you enjoyed this video and it is valuable to you, please kindly like this video and please share this video. Don't be stingy with it. Yes, share this video, like, share, comment, and please subscribe and click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a useful video like this. I am Unlimited Bolaji. Peace out.